Yeah, now we are out here and it's cold, it's November, but it has been as ridiculous warm as it was this summer. It also has been quite warm autumn. That means that I would not like to do the same mistake that I did first year, just switch the pool off and be happy about it. So now the water temperature is below 10, so I'm gonna turn off, or soon turn off the cleaning system, but I'm gonna put I dissolved some quick chlorine in a bucket, and I'm gonna put that in and let the system run for a day until tomorrow. So all that chlorine is gonna be in the complete pool. I also just start to clean the bottom of the pool since to get it nice and not have so much to do in the spring. So the cleaning robot has been doing its things. So I'm going to take that out soon and clean that one up and put it back for the winter. But now it's time to put this dissolved chlor water in. Make sure that don't get anything on me or on my clothes. I don't want to have white spots on my clothes. Yeah, it's definitely cold water. So, now I just let the cleaning system for the pool run one more day. It takes roughly 1 day to let all the water go through the cleaning system. There is also a sill, I think it's called, to keep things going to the pump. So after I turn it off, I'm gonna open that up, clean it out, so I don't have to do it in the spring. And after that, it's ready for the winter. So I'm gonna take our pool robot up, clean that, put it in for the winter. And also one thing we're gonna do in the end here, after I've taken up the pool robot, is to, let's come with me. We put in this white styrofoam block. What it helps to prevent is if we get ice in the pool, it doesn't happen so often, the ice, instead of growing thick and push against the wall and crack the tiles, it compresses by styrofoam. So we just put these 5s in, and it has saved us the other years, so I hope it's going to save us this year as well. So, but time for me to take up the pool robot and clean that one, put it in for storage, throw those in as well. put the styrofoam in, and here is to make sure that the wind doesn't catch the roof, not throwing it away. If the wind does that, we have other problem, but you don't want it to move things around. So there's just a safety pin that we loosen that goes down in a hole in these aluminium rails. So, like that, push it down, secure it. Now it cannot slide. And the same thing here. The other part of the roof I have secured earlier today. So, done for the winter. So, this is how I closed down my pool for the winter and almost Christmas this year, but anyhow. So, hope you enjoyed it and see you soon.